Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei channel. Last week I showed how to create this very quick 3-minute asteroid field in HitFilm, and I used a model that I got from Sketchfab. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own asteroid model super quick and easy in Blender. First thing you want to do is go to Edit, and under Preferences, Add-ons, search for Object and make sure that Add Mesh Extra Objects is selected here. Then you'll go to Add Mesh and Rock Generator. Opening up this pop-up window, you'll want to select the very convenient Asteroid preset. If you like that, great, then you can keep that. If you don't, you can always reselect it and we'll give you a new one. As soon as you've done that, then you can say File, Export, and export it as a Wavefront OBJ file. In HitFilm, you can then go ahead and import that. I called mine George, but you can call it whatever you like. Then go ahead and set up a diffuse map. I'm just using a basic gray map and clicking OK, and then follow the directions from the previous tutorial on how to do that, and you will have your very own custom HitFilm created asteroid field. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.